everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm taking you along with me for my cozy Christmas bedroom tour. I hope you enjoy. Guys, you may have noticed in my Christmas home tour that I didn't include my bedroom, just because it wasn't quite ready, so I thought I'd do a separate video of that for you. This year I definitely wanted to go with a cozy and rustic vibe, with adding a pop of colour in a beautiful deep red. As you're aware, I certainly love these adorable little gnomes this year. Guys, they're everywhere in stores and I just cannot get enough of them. And this red checkered one from TK Maxx that I recently got, I was obsessed. He is so adorable. I'm certainly loving a lot of boho rustic vibes this year, guys, especially things that are made out of beads. I loved this beaded candle holder that I recently picked up from Pillow Talk. I love to add little DIYs in my bedroom, guys. I used these old books that I just took off the covers and made a little book stack, as well as this fluffy Christmas box in the corner.
Down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree.
I love turning the lights off in my room and getting that cozy atmosphere, from twinkle lights on the Christmas tree to the twinkle of the candle in the candle holder. Now on my bed, I liked everything to be white. Now I have a quilt cover, which is a waffle quilt cover from Target. And then on top, I have my ruffled duvet. Now I imported this from the USA, guys, and I got it off Amazon. And I'll leave a link to it down below. It is so pretty, and it goes so perfect with my ruffled curtains, which are also from Amazon. I so love using white as the backdrop on my bed, guys. I love combining all different elements with a white background. Here, my furniture is definitely very glam, and I love to mix that with rustic elements like a boho or rustic tray. I then add my pop of colour, and this year it is that definite deep red, and I feel it goes so perfectly with a rustic glam look. Now I always get asked about my angel wings. Guys, I picked these up last year from Eureka Street Furniture. They were gold and I spray painted them white, and I think they go so perfect with my Christmas decor. Now in the corner, I added this cute little inexpensive Christmas tree, and I added some fairy lights to it. I also added this adorable little gnome from Kmart and this beautiful red truck from TK Maxx.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Guys, leave me a comment down below if you love to decorate your bedroom for Christmas, and do you add a Christmas tree? I'd love to hear your feedback.
In Christmas times, oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to decorate my home. I love sharing DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours. My channel just might interest you. So I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Don't forget to also give me a follow, guys, over on Instagram. I'm at Chelle's Glam Home too, and I post daily inspiration when decorating my home glam.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling
So
in
thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your Christmas bedroom.
in store for us.
Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, that you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.